Looks really good, huh?
Whoa, whoa. I went into the mouse. You see how it like goes into the mouth?
It's the fermentation.
Ew.
What did we just add to it?
Syrup.
What kind?
Syrup.
What kind?
Vanilla.
No, it was pumpkin pie, silly boy. Okay, want to do another one? We'll do 2 at a time. He's a folk singer. His name's Richard Thompson.
Richard.
He's singing classic songs from 1,000 years.
Sounds like Nordic. Let's just make 5, 4, 5.
Okay.
I guess we should make 6 because it's me, James, you, and he has to try my pancakes.
So we want it all to bubble before we flip it over. We're only going to flip it once.
I just don't want it to touch.
That one's bubbling better.
Wait, which one?
This one's starting to bubble.
That one? It's definitely going to be burned. I probably called it out when it was. Oh, perfect. Holy.
Ooh, let's turn it down a little.
Yeah. I was so right when I said, Mom, we should definitely flip it.
Yeah. Well, the first one, it's always the tester.
Listen to me. There's nothing overpowering in it.
It's perfect.
It doesn't taste like sourdough fully. I can really taste the honey, but that's good.
The honey's really good in it.
And the pumpkin. Can't taste it.